Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel Learning and Glamour. In today's tutorial video I am going to show you how to make a Halloween pumpkin. It is very easy to make and hope you will like this tutorial video. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon so that you never miss any new update from my channel. So let's begin making this pumpkin. For making this pumpkin we need a yarn needle, 2 beads and a scissor for cutting the yarn. We will use 2 hooks. First, this size is 5 mm and this hook is 4 mm crochet hook, and a green color yarn and a brown color yarn. These are the materials we will use for making this pumpkin. So let's begin, and I am using 5 mm crochet hook and brown color yarn. First we will make a slip knot. After making slip knot, make chain 16, and if you want to make a large size, increase the number of chains. I made 16 chains. Now we will make our single crochet stitches. First we will skip the chain 1 we will skip. Into the second chain we will make 1 single crochet. Into the next chain make a single crochet. Into the next chain also make 1 single crochet. In every chain we will make 1 single crochet. Don't skip any chain. Continue making single crochet in every chain. My first round is complete. Now we will begin the second round. For the second round, chain 1 and turn your work. After turning your work, we will make stitches into the back loops. These are the back loops. We will make stitches in these back loops. In these loops we will make our stitches. So let's continue. We will skip this stitch. Into the next stitch we will use the back loop and we make 1 single crochet like this. Single crochet 1. Into the next stitch back loop make single crochet. Into the back loop of next stitch make 1 single crochet. In this round we will continue these stitches and make 1 single crochet in every single crochet stitch, but we will use the back loop. Here is the second round. Second round is also complete. Now for the third round we will chain 1 and turn our work. Again we will skip this first single crochet. Into the second single crochet we will make a single crochet into the back loop. Into the next single crochet make a single crochet using the back loop. Continue these stitches, don't skip any stitch. Continue round number 3 for 32 rows. I will complete my stitches and we will continue again. Okay viewers, here I have completed 32 rounds. My stitches are complete. Now we will cut our yarn from here. First we will make a chain and leave a long yarn like this and cut it from here. Okay. Using the same yarn here we will put the needle and join like this
and we will make stitches here. Okay, we will make stitches from here till the end, and we will join these both sides. Here are my stitches complete. Now we will make our stitches here. For here we will continue like this in a zigzag. Insert your needle here and then here like this. Viewers, we have completed the pumpkin. Now we will make the stem and the spiral shape. First we will start making the stem, and for making the stem we will use the green yarn and 4 mm crochet hook. Okay, so make a slip knot. After making slip knot, chain 7. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Okay, here we have made chain 7. We will skip first chain. Into the second chain we will make 1 single crochet. Into the next chain make another single crochet. In every chain we will make 1 single crochet. Don't skip any chain, and in every chain make 1 single crochet. Here we have made this, and now chain 1, and we will leave a yarn, little yarn here, and cut this here. Pull this yarn like this, and now using this little end from where we started, take your yarn needle Okay, after making the stem, now we will make the spiral shape. For making the spiral shape, we will use same green yarn and 4 mm crochet hook and make a slip knot. For making the spiral shape, I am making chain 17, and if you want to make a large size, so increase the number of the chains. Okay, here I have made the chains. Now skip first 3 chains, 1 2 3. Into the 4th chain we will make 1 double crochet. Into the same chain we will make another double crochet. Into the next chain make 3 double crochet. Double crochet 1. Into the same chain double crochet 3. Again into the same chain double crochet 3. Continue these stitches. In every chain make 3 double crochet. Don't skip any chain. After completing the double crochet stitches, into the last chain make a slip stitch and then chain 1 and cut the yarn.
Okay viewers, hope this tutorial video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like the video, and you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram link is given in the description box. Thanks for watching. Take care and have a good day.